Some pretty solid instruction on calipers and micrometers, our common tools. I'd like to quickly gloss over bore gauges, gauge pins, and blocks before we let you loose here, just so you know what people are talking about when you see them. Bore gauges are used to accurately measure hole inside diameters. Now, they are similar to micrometers in that they are only good for a certain range of bore. This set comes with adjustable anvils, rods, that can be swapped out or stacked so the gauge can be used with different diameter holes. Now, we'll typically zero out our bore gauges using a precision ring gauge, and we'll check this often. And like all dial gauges, we need to look straight at the needle to avoid parallax. And digital indicators can also be attached. Now, for small holes, these plug gauges, also called gauge pins or go-no-go pins, are just terrific. Once the correct pins are chosen, if the go pin fits and the no-go pin does not, we can quickly gauge whether a hole is in spec. Now, you can order these pins in varying tolerances based on how tight the print tolerance is for your particular feature. Now, similar to our plug gauge is our thread gauge or our thread plug gauge. Now, we'll order these up in a go-no-go based on the call out from our blueprint. This is a 5/16 18 thread with a fit tolerance of 2B. Now, for most threads, we'll check the hole size, the thread minor diameter, with a go-no-go pin, and then check the thread pitch itself with a go-no-go thread gauge. This is a good thread. Some of you have noticed that I'm measuring this particular part after coating. Now, you'll need to watch out for coatings. This part has a black oxide finish on it, which is a conversion coating and leaves virtually no buildup. So we don't have to mask anything on it. If this were an aluminum part getting anodized, you'd really have to plan out the entire part, deciding if you were going to mask certain holes or not, or if you needed to machine the part undersize to account for the coating that's going to build up later. Most anodized parts might have a buildup of a 1/2 thou to maybe 4/1000 of an inch, depending on the type of anodize. Well, we really dove deep into a couple of the common tools that we use every day as machinists, but we glossed over some of these other topics. But we're going to be making videos on those soon in the future, so be sure to subscribe to the Haas Automation YouTube channel or like us on Facebook. Well, that's it for this Haas Tip of the Day. Thanks for watching.